Hi guys, I'm Tyne. So in today's video, I will show you how to edit hair with Gacha. First, if you didn't get these lights made from Gacha, delete them. With the hard paint pen, paint the front part of the hair. Paint with the same color as the hair. Add a new layer and paint the up hair. Do another layer and click the button that I will circulate. Then do a darker color from the hair. With the airbrush normal, paint the point and the end of the up hair. Use the multiply in the layer. Set the transparency in 61. Delete a little of the excess. Now add a new layer and do the same thing that you did with the shadow of the up hair. Let's add some light to our hair. In a new layer, put the add and use the digital pen for the light. Do the same thing that I'm doing. Use the blur tool and use the tool in the light. Set the transparency in 51. Add a new layer for the back hair and use a darker color from the hair. Now do the same thing for the light. And for the shadow, do the same thing that we did. Remember, paint just the point and the end. And set the transparency in 61. Use a darker color and paint just the point. Let's add the lines again. Add a new layer and use the hiding pen. And now just trust the hair as your preference. Set the transparency in 57 and put in multiply. Now let's add some details. Add a new layer. Shadow bonus. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.